In this video, we're gonna check out a Juice Wrld freestyle, and I'm gonna try to give you tips along the way so that you can learn to freestyle as well. And if you wanna go one-on-one with me, I have a course below that will help you learn how to freestyle. If you don't know how to freestyle yet, or if you get stuck, I got you. Check that below, Freestyle Natural. All right, let's watch this video, and I'm gonna try to give you tips along the way.
I got some sugar.
35 million views.
DJ Muxa.
First thing you notice from Juice Wrld, he's already freestyling melodies. He's already vibing out on the beat. He loves guitar beats. He's someone who's not afraid to get emotional, so these are the perfect kind of beats for him. And that's a good lesson with freestyling. Don't be afraid to get emotional. Try to connect with the beat really emotionally. And a good way to sink into the beat is to start scatting some stuff, sing some melodies, to just warm up to it, to kind of start sinking into connecting with the beat deeper. I've seen other rap coaches say, oh, don't go because it looks like you're buying time. But no, that's fine. It's fine if you start off your freestyle, sinking into it, getting a feel for the beat before you go into it. Whether you're recording a song or you're doing a freestyle, it's fine to feel that out and also test the mic to see how you sound. So let's keep going.
I don't wanna fall down. I ain't finna fall down. Fourth quarter, shorty, I'ma ball out. Don't go to work, baby, call out. Ain't no way, no stall now. I'm finna ball out.
Okay, so Juice Wrld's really into basketball. It's another thing. If you have a topic you're really into, it's really good to freestyle about it. So if you're into basketball, you're into Pokemon cards, you're into video games, you can start using that as metaphors for your freestyle, comparing yourself to either your favorite basketball players, your favorite Pokemon players, comparing yourself to your favorite anime characters to add to your freestyle to make your freestyle interesting. Most important is use things that you know, use things that you really like, and that'll give you lots of material. And Juice Wrld does a lot of metaphors with his passion topics and things that he really likes.
Fourth quarter, shorty, no call outs. Don't go to work, baby, just call out. In the bedroom, all out. Perks on the counter, I can't wait to take them. Blunts on the counter, can't wait to face it. Bad little bitch.
Another thing is, this is a very melodic beat. There's no drums yet. He's really connecting emotionally. This is kind of showing behind the scenes how he would make a song, connecting with the beat emotionally, and he's allowing his voice to be melodic. Even if you can't sing, most rappers can't really sing that well. They use auto-tune to clean that up, but it's mostly about allowing your voice to be melodic. And I have a free scatting course below that will help you get comfortable with that. But yeah, allow yourself to be melodic over the beat. And it's another way to also sync more emotionally is when you start using that melodic side. Like if you can sing along the songs on the radio, then you can definitely be melodic, just like Juice Wrld. Let's go.
Yeah, she be my favorite. All my songs, they all on her playlist. I don't really know how to say it, but I'ma say it. I don't really know if she take it, but she can take it. I don't slow it down unless I'm in the Matrix. Presidential brain, that bitch like Sarah Palin. Here you go. I'm not the same nigga that I was a year ago. I thank God every day for it. It's a miracle. In the trap house singing nigga spirituals.
Juice Wrld does freestyle off the top. He 100% does freestyle top. This freestyle is off the top. He's using his emotion and all that to dive deep into it, and that's something that you can do too. But then he does have some lines that he recycles. Some of the metaphors that he's been freestyling for so long, he'll recycle. And that one kind of sounds like the presidential Sarah Palin. It's possible that he's used that one before. I know I've heard him use other lines multiple times, but let's keep going.
Yeah, and Jemima, best believe him in the trap. Gun at your line. Pull up on him with the rollie, that's perfect timing. Yeah.
He said Aunt Jemima, and then he said a word that didn't really make sense. I'm a Jemima. So there's another cool thing about Juice Wrld is that when he messes up or if he doesn't say the right word, it doesn't matter. He's just having fun. He's in the flow and he just keeps going. And that's something you can do. It's a big key with professional songwriters and freestylers. Just keep going.
Aunt Jemima, best believe him in the trap. Gun at your line. Pull up on him.
He said Aunt Jemima, Enchalana. So he just made up a word. And you can do that. Just make up words when you're freestyling to keep going. And eventually you'll say something that makes sense.
With the rollie, that's perfect timing. And I guess that means that the stars are lining. Gonna sing like CC Winans. Change shit just like the climate. Sit back in my seat reclining. I call that shit perfect timing. I'm in another country getting new money. My money got depression, yeah, it's blue money.
My money has depression, that's blue money. Let's tie it. Let's keep going.
Like I had depression, I was blue or something. Until I smoke a pack and then I blew.
So he said blue a few times talking about depression, and that's cool. Just kept going on that. Depression.
Listen to the way that I flow on this shit, it's off the top like a wave cap. Pull up on the scene and you get knocked like the bass back. Put the Mac 11 bullet where your fucking face at. Eating good cocaine on a placemat, and that's where the bitch put her face at. Eating good cocaine on a placemat, and that's where the bitch put her face at.
Cool. Another thing that gives Juice Wrld power is that he's uncensored. He's not afraid to talk about anything, and that really help you with freestyling too. He's not afraid to get perverted and say sexual things. A lot of other freestyle rappers are more afraid to say that. They won't be able to get invited to TV shows if they were talking like that. Like Harry Mack made a choice where he's a little more safe with his freestyles, but Juice Wrld's a little more uncensored, which allows him to kind of go anywhere, and it gives him a little bit more freedom, but it is really hard to censor yourself while freestyling, so that's why Harry Mack is pretty legendary. But yeah, this is a dope freestyle by Juice Wrld, and I like how it got emotional. All right, so I hope some of those tips helped you out. If you want full exercises to help you freestyle, check out the Freestyle Natural below, and I'll react to more videos soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.